Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at 7 new Harley-Davidson motorcycles for 2023. Number 7. Harley-Davidson Breakout. The Harley-Davidson Breakout is indeed a stunning motorcycle which takes inspiration from the classic gasser drag cars of the 50s and 60s, evident in its stretched styling, fat rear tire, and chopped fenders. The 2023 Breakout, in particular, is a raked-out cruiser with an abundance of chrome, a wide rear tire visually balanced with thick forks, and chopped fenders. To maintain clean and minimalist lines, the Breakout features a shaved tank console and drag handlebar. One notable change for the 2023 model year is the addition of the Milwaukee 8 engine, which provides the motorcycle with unrelenting power. The Breakout also includes 26-spoke black cast aluminum wheels and cruise control for added convenience. Originally, the Breakout was equipped with the twin-cam 103 V-twin engine, a 1,690cc monster known for its soul-satisfying rumble. This integration showcased the combination of the bike's long, low, and mean design, capturing the essence of what Harley-Davidson bikes are all about. While the Breakout is a relatively new model in Harley-Davidson's lineup, it has undergone several changes over the years, reflecting the company's commitment to continuous improvement and innovation. Number 6. Harley-Davidson Fat Bob. The 2023 Harley-Davidson Fat Bob is a motorcycle that embodies aggressive and unapologetic styling, delivering mind-blowing performance and exceptional handling. With its premium finishes and powerful Milwaukee 8 engine, this cruiser bike is designed for renegades who seek the utmost power and performance while conquering city streets with unparalleled power and agility. At the heart of the Fat Bob lies the Milwaukee 8 V-twin engine, which sets the standard for balancing agility and speed. Producing an impressive 118 pound-feet of torque, this engine provides the rider with exhilarating acceleration and performance. The 2023 Fat Bob is available in a single variant and offers 3 captivating colors to choose from, allowing riders to express their individuality and style. While the mechanical specifications have received significant upgrades, the overall styling of the 2023 Fat Bob remains similar to its predecessor. It retains the iconic all-LED rectangular headlamp at the front, a flat handlebar, and solid cast disc wheels, giving it a bold and distinctive appearance. Whether it's the exhilarating acceleration or the commanding presence on the road, the 2023 Harley-Davidson Fat Bob is the ideal choice for riders seeking an extraordinary riding experience. Number 5. Harley-Davidson Sportster S. The 2023 Harley-Davidson Sportster S is a motorcycle that combines muscular style with impressive performance. It is equipped with a powerful Revolution Max 1250T engine, generating 121 horsepower and 94 feet-pounds of torque. One of the standout features of the Sportster S is its 4-inch display, which provides riders with essential information and enhances their control over the motorcycle. The Revolution Max powertrain ensures excellent torque delivery, giving riders a responsive and exhilarating ride. Despite its powerful performance, the Sportster S is surprisingly lightweight, weighing only 503 pounds. This makes it agile and maneuverable, allowing riders to confidently navigate various road conditions. The Sportster S is available in a range of attractive colors, including vivid black, stone-washed white pearl, and midnight crimson. Harley-Davidson designed the Sportster S to appeal to a new generation of riders. With its bold and muscular design, this motorcycle aims to capture the attention and interest of those looking for an American-made motorcycle that delivers both style and performance. Number 4. Harley-Davidson Pan-America. The Pan-America is a versatile adventure motorcycle from Harley-Davidson designed to conquer various terrains. At the heart of the Pan-America is a powerful 1,252cc V-twin engine, delivering impressive performance. With 150 horsepower and 94 pound-feet of torque, the engine provides a smooth and strong power delivery. The bike boasts a striking design, incorporating a new engine and lightweight construction. It offers 5 riding modes, allowing riders to customize their experience, along with a personal mode for further customization. In terms of technology, the Pan-America doesn't disappoint. It comes loaded with high-tech features, including a rider/passenger intercom, a vehicle information screen, and USB charging capabilities. Harley-Davidson's R&D team has gone above and beyond to ensure the Pan-America exceeds expectations. It is a rugged and powerful machine, specifically engineered to inspire rider confidence and ignite the spirit of adventure. Number 3. Harley-Davidson Low Rider. The Harley-Davidson Low Rider S is a performance cruiser designed to embody the spirit of riding on the dark side. With its blacked-out factory custom look, it appeals to rebels seeking a classic West Coast style. The bike is equipped with a Milwaukee 8-114 engine, known for its power and performance, and features moto-style drag bars that add a stylish touch to the overall design. One of the standout features of the Low Rider S is its aggressive riding capabilities, combining the best of sport bike agility and handling. This makes it a suitable choice for those who enjoy pushing the limits and crave an exhilarating riding experience. In terms of customization and convenience, the Low Rider S provides several options to choose from. These include ABS for enhanced braking control, security features to protect the bike against theft, and cruise control for added comfort during long rides. To sum it up, the 2023 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S is a powerful and stylish performance cruiser that embodies the rebellious spirit of riders who embrace the classic West Coast style. Number 2. Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. The Fat Boy has been a highly popular model for Harley-Davidson and has gained significant recognition through its appearances in TV shows and movies. The 2023 Fat Boy model is specifically designed to provide a lighter and more powerful riding experience. Equipped with the Milwaukee 8-114 engine, it delivers strong and smooth performance, making it ideal for those seeking power and agility on city streets. The bike's design includes distinct features such as a squared-up headlamp, fat tires, and eye-catching bright chrome finishes. These elements contribute to its bold and stylish appearance, appealing to riders who appreciate a hot rod aesthetic and a commanding presence on the road. Furthermore, the Fat Boy is available in various colors, including the striking bright billiard blue. This provides riders with the option to personalize their motorcycle according to their preferences and style. In summary, the Harley-Davidson Fat Boy remains a beloved V-twin softail cruiser motorcycle with solid cast disc wheels. Harley-Davidson continues to enhance its performance and aesthetics, catering to riders who value power, style, and a distinctive presence on the road. Number 1. Harley-Davidson Street Bob. The Harley-Davidson Street Bob is an iconic and minimalist cruiser motorcycle that delivers an impressive performance. Combining the best features of a classic cruiser with modern engineering, this bike stands out as the lightest weight softail model while boasting a powerful Milwaukee 8-114 engine, providing quick and agile power. The Street Bob is designed to cater to riders who crave both style and power. Its aggressive and unapologetic styling sets it apart, while its performance and handling capabilities are truly mind-blowing. Built with a muscular aesthetic and engineered for top-notch performance, the Street Bob is a perfect choice for renegade riders who seek ultimate power and agility. Whether navigating through city streets or conquering open roads, this motorcycle commands attention and delivers exceptional performance. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you found it informative, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.